Okay, is this recording? Alright. Hello, YouTube. Okay, so we got this faggot here. Honestly, he's a fucking lunatic. Means he's a fucking psycho. Uh, so let's get this straight, YouTube. I don't even give a fuck about this faggot here. No offense. There's a problem with him fucking my life up, honestly. And I think he just made it fucking worse until there was a lot of drama in our fucking house. Till he fucking screwed it up. So, alright, I was gonna get proposed to my woman till this fucking devil, the demon right here. Yeah, this faggot right here. Mostly I don't fucking like him. It's mostly his fault. I'll tell you the truth. Honestly, he he still might propose in front of me, in front of Astrid, and then all these people watching the movie and they seem brainwash. So I don't respect people's opinion. So they can just go fuck off. Sorry, I'm not a fan of this faggot. I hate him. But there's the reason. He said he doesn't like me. If you don't like me, please go fuck yourself. If you don't like me, then I don't like you. So I haven't done shit to you. So I really don't know what the fuck his problem is. Honestly, he's ugly. This dude, I can see his grizzly old fucking chin. He doesn't even fucking shave. He disgusts me. He's a faggot. Honestly, there's nothing cute about him. I really fucking hate him. I hope the earth blows up and he can fall to the edge. That'll be funny as hell. Yeah, that's why fuck him. Fuck his hair. Fuck him. He's still ugly. And he has his chin. It's disgusting. He makes me fucking sick. Honestly, look at his faggot face, man. He's such a faggot. I don't like him. It'll be funny that if the Gremlin. No, it'll be funny that the Simpsons ran him over and then Krusty the Clown starts laughing at him. And then I hope the guy that starts laughing, that bully Bart, that goes, ha ha, you suck, dipshit. That's why fuck him. I really don't like Hiccup. Yeah, there's other people. Ooh, wow, wow, Hiccup like that. Ah, shut this bullshit up. Hiccup and Asher are not a good couple. I'd rather fucking kill Hiccup instead. He's the new fucking threat. I don't give a fuck who he is. And don't give me the start of this faggot boy band and all these fuck boys around this country. Because I really don't like this person. Because this faggot right here disappointed me. I really fucking hate him. He's the reason I took my girl and my kids. Why can't they just blow his head off? That'll be funny. God, he's fucking hideous. I really hate him. Look at him. He can't even clean his fucking beard, man. He can't even fucking shave. God, he does disgust me. I really fucking hate this motherfucker. I just want to fucking execute his ass. Explanation, but fuck him. I'd rather execute his ass. Mostly beat his ass and put him in the fucking ground. Cause this person has a lot of anger issues. Gets mad like a bitch. Mostly I got one thing for him. Fuck him. Screw him. Honestly, I don't give a fuck about his opinion. Mostly I don't give a shit about him. That's all I gotta say right now, YouTube. But let's get to the next episode. So yeah, this is a picture of my daughter. But honestly, she keep calling Hiccup my father. Honestly, Sapphire, this is your father, Michael. Honestly, Hiccup's not your dad. There's the reason. He stole ass in front of me and he stole you. so he can get married or something like that. Honestly, I will protect my daughter. I will not let Hiccup get near her, or I'll just call the cops on Hiccup and I'll tell her get away from my daughter. Because right now I don't know. Right now I'm not with my girlfriend, but my girlfriend says that she wants to go back with me. She wants to do that, but she needs to start being loyal. She better not fuck it up or screw it up. Because if she does, then it's over. Game over, something like that. Okay, and then this is mostly my child, whatever. But he keeps saying dad to Hiccup. Honestly, son, you need to stop calling him dad. There's the reason, the truth. He's not your father. He's a lunatic, psychotic idiot that doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. I'm not talking crap about my son. I really love my son. I'm talking crap about Hiccup, the dipshit I don't like. His name is Yacker. I know his name. It starts with an N. I'm not stupid. So if Hiccup, that faggot dipshit, trying to get near my son, I would just call the cops, or they can just tase him. I'm not talking about my son. I'm talking about tase Hiccup, cause he's a really bitch. Well, I think this is all I gotta say, YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you at another time. Please don't forget to subscribe and put a like. I will see you guys in another tune. May the force with you, or may the dark side with you, or whatever. Because I am out.